Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will have a look at CMS page enhancement, in version 10. We have introduced changes in UI, added a blog page facility, and allowed the admin to create categories for the content pages. Let's go to the admin panel. Here, first of all, click on Content Management, then Contents. Here we have given 3 tabs, for dynamic pages, category, and fixed content. Now, you can see all the dynamic pages, under the Dynamic Pages section. We have newly added category for pages, which allows your customers to categorize content pages. Under Fixed Content, you will see all the fixed pages. In order to create a category page, you have to click on Category tab, then click on Add button, and there we have changed the UI of all the content pages, as you can see here, in 3 different sections: General Information, SEO, and Contents. Now, you have to enter the required details like a key, URL, page heading, etc., and then hit Save and Back button. After that, when we will go to create a content page, click on Dynamic Pages, click on the Add button, and there we have to choose the page category, if we want to assign this page to a blog page category. Otherwise, it's not mandatory, so you can leave it unselected. Put key, URL, page heading, etc., and then we have given a button Blog Page, which allows you to enable any content page to be a blog. Add other details in the same way, and then click on Save and Back. On the front end, you will be able to see a blog page, having all the content pages in it, with images and descriptions. Also, there is a block that has been added to the blog page. It will include and display all the CMS pages, in which the blog page setting is enabled. As you can see here, under Page Contents, we have added a block. So on the front end, we can see all the CMS pages, in which the blog page button is enabled. Moreover, we can add any specific CMS page by adding CMS keys with commas separated. For example, here you can see we are adding CMS page keys for 2 pages in this block, following this format and saving it. Therefore, on the front page, it will show only those specific pages to which we have added the keys. Next, we have Sidebar Management. In this, we have added one sidebar widget named Category. You can enable it in order to show the CMS blog pages list in the sidebar. Now, when we go to the front store, you will be able to see in the sidebar and all the pages list assigned under the blog page category. That's all in CMS feature enhancement. Thanks for watching this video. In case of any queries, feel free to connect with us.